Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got my scent and warmer of the month and I cannot wait to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm super excited because I got the scent and warmer of the month for March, and it's so cute. It's an Easter warmer. Super duper excited. I'm gonna go ahead and share the scent first. So basically, when you are a consultant, you have the perk of getting the scent and warmer of the month kit, which is what I have here, so that I could share with you guys and make samples, etc. Good Dakota. Sorry. So what we get with our kit, we get 72 rub and smell stickers, we get 50 flyers, and we get 8 of the scent of the months. And I'm super excited. This one is called Strawberry Lemon Cake. That is so up my alley. I cannot wait to sniff this. So I'm going to go ahead and get out one of my flyers. And first I'm going to sniff it and then I'll read it. So let's see what I think it smells like. Oh my God. Seriously? Okay. This one is so going in my Scentsy Club. Oh my God, that's good. Okay, so you smell the strawberry, you smell the yellow, the lemon, and you also smell the cake. That's pretty much what it smells like. Hi, Rachel. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely delicious. So let's see what Scentsy says it smells like. It says, fresh strawberries add a sweet surprise to lemon zest and vanilla buttercream, creating a perfectly delicious confection. And it's a bakery. And the top notes, which is the first thing you smell, is the strawberries. Yep. The mid notes is lemon zest. Yep. And the base note, vanilla buttercream. I mean, if you like bakery or any sort of like fruit, you will like this one. It's to die for. Definitely if you like bakery. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Okay, so I got 8 bars of that. I'm excited. I'm going to warm that today. Okay, so now I'm excited to open up the warmer, and it's called Hoppy Easter. Hoppy Easter. Okay, super excited. Let's check out Hoppy Easter. Oh my gosh. I've seen pictures of it and it's super duper cute. Okay, and like I said, this drops on March 1st. This is an Easter warmer, the warmer of the month for March. So, that's what we got going on here. Oh my gosh, it's beyond cute. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. Okay, so it's an element warmer, so it won't have a light. But how stinking cute is that? It is so cute. It's ceramic, but it looks like almost like wood. But it's ceramic, and it's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. That is so, so cute. Okay, so let's read a little bit about Hoppy Easter. It says, bounce into the season with farmhouse style. A bright hand-carved look brings country charm to your spring decor. Very cute. So, in the month of March, it's $54 because everything's 10% off in the month of March. The scent will come in the bar, the room spray, and scent circle, all 10% off. If it doesn't sell out in March, it will be $60 in April. But how stinking cute is that? Oh my God. I know, Cassie. So cute. So cute. I'm in love. I am in love with it. So very, very cute. I am so excited to go put this somewhere in my house. I'm not doing farmhouse anymore, but I will be putting this warmer out. So cute. I just redid my background. I wanted to go bright and summery, so that's what I did. Bright and summery. I think it turned out really cute. I'm actually kind of loving it. Look at what I found. It looks like our warmer. It's a basket. Anywho, so I hope you like my video. I'm going to go upload it to YouTube. So if you're watching on YouTube, let me know. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having a great Saturday, and I will talk to you later. Bye.